Hello guys, welcome to Lytical Preps. Please, if today is your first time on visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more exciting questions together. Thank you for doing that. Let's enjoy this question. So we have an x squared plus xy is equal to 12. Okay, so with this, we have an x squared here and x here, so we can simplify some terms here. So with this, we can factorize one s out, so we are going to get x plus y, which is equal to 12. Okay, so we name this equation as our equation 1. Then we are going to take x plus y, which is equal to 8, as our equation 2. Now, looking at the equation 2, x plus y, you can see that we have x plus y in equation 1. Okay, so you say that put equation 2 into equation 1. So we are going to get x into bracket x plus y is equal to 8. So s into bracket 8 is equal to 12. So now we are having 8x is equal to 12. We are looking for x. So in this case, we make x a subject. So we say that divide both sides by 8, or we multiply both sides by 1 on 8, 1 on 8. So with this, 8 we cancel 8, so leaving x is equal to 12 on 8. Okay, and this 12 on 8 is the same as 3 on 2. Okay, because 4 goes into 12 3 times and goes into 8 2 times, so we're having 3 on 2, or 1.5. Now this x, we put this x into equation 2. So we are going to get x plus y is equal to 8. In this case, our x here is 3 on 2. So we are going to get 3 on 2 plus y is equal to 8. Okay, so y is equal to 8 minus 3 on 2. And 8 minus 3 on 2 is equal to 13 on 2, or 6.5. Okay, now we have our x to be 3 on 2, then, and y to be 13 on 2. Now let's verify to see if these two answers satisfy the equation. So let's verify together. So we are having x plus y is equal to 8. Our x is 3 on 2, then our y is 13 on 2, and this should give us 8. Okay, the common LCM is 2, then we are having 3 plus 13, and this should give us 8. 3 plus 13 is 16 on 2, and this should be equal to 8. 16 on 2 the same as 8, and the same as 8. So 8 is equal to 8. So it means that our x and y satisfy equation 2. Let's do that for equation 1. So we are having 3 on 2 all squared plus 3 on 2 multiplied by 13 on 2, and this should give us, should be equal to 12. Okay, now this 3 on 2 squared is 9 on 4, plus when you multiply these two together, we are going to get 39 on 4, and it should give us 12. Okay, so this and this are the same, so we take 1. 9 plus 39, we are getting 48, and it should be equal to 12. 4 goes into itself 1, it goes into 48 12 times. So we have 12 is equal to 12. So indeed, our x and y satisfy the equation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye bye.